going to watch the the fireworks today. He's so good looking naman ni William. Wow. Oh, yung coat na. Get your coat na. Wow. Good looking. Okay.
Good evening, ladies and gents. Welcome to our channel at Simply Smith Family. We hope you're all well, guys, at samahan nyo kami sa ating fireworks night. It will be full of fun and loud noises.
Ben, he's fighting it. Ben is asleep, guys. At ito, we're on our way to William's school to watch the fireworks. Is it bonfire as well? No?
Yeah.
It is the bonfire night. But it's November 5, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's only November 2. And it's 10 degrees, guys. Kaya we have our hoodie, we have our hats to make sure we're warm enough. It's not so busy on the road this time because it's Sunday. And the moon is out. Look, the moon's giving us light, William. Ayan, guys, let's queue in at we have our tickets. Yan. Got 4 tickets. Got our wristbands on.
Start off with you. Oh.
Have it loose. Show me your wristband, William. Whoa. William, look at that. Shall we go there? Look at Ben asleep. Ayan, guys, mga bata. Nag-enjoy na. Yeah, he's swaying his head. He likes the music, Daddy. one way round. Good boy. Yan guys, galing na kami nag-trampolining. So now this is the mud house. Come on, you can do it. Can you walk? Woohoo! That's it, you can do it. Good boy. Are you gonna wait for mommy? Uh-oh. I know. Did you want to go jumping again? Again, high five! Well done, William! Fist bump, Daddy!
You did. Apart from the bank.
Yeah, you enjoyed the fireworks, didn't you? Fist bump! Goodbye, high five! Handshake! Wow! Yay! Bounce, bounce! Bounce, bounce, bounce! Bounce, bounce! Yeah, 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 yeah! Bounce, bounce, bounce! Yeah, and William kept his ear muff, which is very good. Well done, William.
Sorry, is it working? Oh, sorry, Tom. The other one is under over there.
Are you happy now, boys? Play a night. And guys, finally, the firework is over. Finished na po kami. At itong mga bata, they are happy. You right, Daddy? Have you had fun?
Yeah, it's very good fun.
Yes, he had his burger.
Yeah.
Look at the moon. The road is so quiet. Oh. Sa atin ang road, guys. Ah, there's car coming. Oh, go, go, go. Green light.
Hey.
Ayan guys, pauwi na kami at nag-enjoy naman ang mga bata from 4:30 p.m. to 7 p.m. But we got there about 6-ish kasi naglakad pa kami dahil mahirapan lang mag-park ng car. So, nag-enjoy naman sila and of course, the parents enjoyed it too. Did you enjoy your firework? Crossing the bridge, guys. At ito, hindi siya masyadong busy ang ating dual carriageway. There's the moon. Which one is the moon? You're home. I got to share the other one, Ben. Did you enjoy the night? Yeah? Yeah, thank you. Boy, that's good. That's what we want, sharing. Yay! Shall we go now? Let's have something to eat. Yeah? Thumbs up.